do you think the weather is very bipolar, or because it's the morning, as the afternoon, as the night is very different in the weather?
It is different. I think every day it's like 3 different seasons. You got like the spring where it's raining, and then you get the sunshine, and then it gets cold, like all in one day. But it's good. It's a good experience.
It's very different.
It's different, but it's beautiful. All right, guys. So I just got my coffee. Very good coffee. How long have you been working here?
I have working um, 19 months.
19 months here.
Yeah,
Okay.
so because it's after I work in Starbucks.
Starbucks.
Yes, of course. I have been on barista in Starbucks.
Okay. Which one has better coffee, here or Starbucks?
Yeah, so because it's very different now, because some things is very similar.
Very similar. Yeah.
Yeah.
Have you heard of when I was in Vietnam, there's a coffee called Civic coffee. Have you heard of this? There might be other names, but it's actually like an animal called the civic animal. They eat the coffee beans, the cherry, and then they poop it out, and then you make coffee from that. Have you heard of that? Do they have something similar here?
Oh, is the process?
Yeah, like there's an animal, so much like a weasel or a civic. It's like a small animal that eats the coffee beans off the plant.
Okay.
And then they digest it, and then you retrieve the coffee beans after they get rid of it.
Because it's very different on the process.
Is there something similar here?
Yeah, so because we have the some place.
Okay.
When some place is more like a farm.
Like a farm, okay.
Yes, like a farm with the people who make it, the process, the regulation. This is some name is harvest.
Harvest, yes,
Harvest.
yes.
Yes, so this is the name is the harvest. Oh, the same people. That's also to make it the clean. To the district around in the city, around in the country.
Has a very, very unique taste.
Yes.
So you mentioned that you went to New York.
Yes.
What do you think of the people there? Were they friendly? You can be honest, it's okay.
Oh, because I feel in the some people is
Yeah.
very friendly, not because it's the other people is a little fear.
Yeah.
The other people is a little selfish.
Yeah.
Yeah, so because it's maybe is very different. It's most difficult try the conversation, and also because it's the feel of the people is little reserved in the other.
Yeah, and sometimes, it's different like in bigger cities. They're used to maybe just getting to one place to another and maybe just walk and don't really say hi to
Yes.
anybody. Well, if you get to smaller towns, maybe people are a little bit more friendly, to be more patient and kind of talk with. Were you able to visit any smaller areas like out of New York City, or not so much?
Yeah, so because I feel the people is most friendly in the other city, in the other country, or maybe in the other place. Or because if you say that the people in the big city is very different, but I don't have the opportunity that now in the other place.
I understand.
Yeah.
If you could visit any country in the world, which one would you most want to go see? It's a tough question.
So maybe yes, it's a difficult question, no, because it's
There's so many.
in my opinion, that is the most incredible. That is I think so. The series is very faster, and also I think so. The people is very faster. Is the all to make, so very quickly.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's very different here, and also I like the food, because it's very different.
You like the food here?
Yeah, so
Yes.
because it's more easy to pay. more easy to purchase the food in the street.
Yeah.
Yes.
I do like it here. I'm from a really small town in Michigan. I'm not sure if you're familiar with Michigan, but it's probably like a maybe 13-hour drive from New York, so it's very far from there. But I'm from a small town, and where I'm from, you can't just go outside and find like street food or different kind of foods on the street here. So here, I love that you are able to walk around. There's street food everywhere. It's very lively.
Very different.
Lots
Also,
of
I think
artwork.
So we have if a lot of stressful. Is more is for traffic jam.
Yeah.
So because it's the traffic jam in their city, and here is horrible or horrible. Yeah.
Yeah, today we were walking and we were passing all the cars. We were going faster than the cars.
Usually it's the most faster you walking than that car.
Yeah.
Yes.
So being in New York, did you experience snow?
Experience.
Like, were you able to see snow? Like the cold white flakes that come from the sky?
Okay.
Did you understand snow? It's when it's very cold, it falls from the sky. Snow.
Yes.
Were you able to experience or see that, feel it? Or was it not that cold? What month did you go to New York?
Okay, though, what is my experience on that snow?
Like, what month did you go to New York? Which month?
Nothing. I don't know any.
But you went to New York, correct?
Yes.
Do you remember which month? Like May, June, July, September?
This is September.
September, okay.
Yes.
So no snow.
No
snow.
because it's the snow. I think so to start it on November, I think.
Yes, sometimes. They're a little bit further north. By me, sometimes usually it snows in December or January.
Oh, okay.
But New York maybe start a little bit sooner because it's a little bit further north. Did you notice it was more expensive to live in
Yes.
America than here?
Yes, it's very different now because and here it's more easy try to buy vegetables, fruit, and the other stuff you make if a lot of dish.
Yeah.
Yes, so because I feel that here a lot of typical food. Yes, like ajiaco, empanadas.
Empanadas.
caldos,
Is that what's your favorite food here? I've heard of that one. Is that your favorite food here?
Yes. it's
Okay,
the
okay.
favorite food here because it's empanadas.
What's your favorite food? Empanada too? Favorite food? All right.
Yeah.
So if there's a top 3 foods I should try here, which top 3 foods should I try?
Oh,
Empanada,
empanada, changua
changua.
y
What is
bandeja paisa.
which?
Bandeja paisa.
Bandeja paisa. And what is that?
Bandeja paisa is more a meat.
Meat. Okay.
Yes, it's more a meat. So you have inside of the dish beans, rice, avocado, tomato, pork,
Okay.
meat.
Which meat do they usually use? Is it usually cow?
Yes.
Is that the meat? Okay.
Yeah, so because it's very delicious.
Yeah, that is very delicious. Did you have your favorite food in America? There's not really. When you think of American food, maybe
I
just a
have question.
cheeseburger.
I have a question.
Okay,
what
yeah.
is the typical food in United States?
The difficult?
Yes.
Or-
what is the typical food?
Oh, typical. If you think of America, I mean, there's like mac and cheese. Do you know what mac and cheese is?
Yes,
Maybe
yes,
something like
yes.
that.
Oh, because it's a lot of food we have inside make cheese.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's kind of an easy thing to make. And another thing is if you go to Chicago, it's called a Chicago dog. It's a hot dog
Yes.
with like lots of different things on it, like ketchup,
with
onions, and
different
tomato. Yeah, different toppings on a hot dog.
Okay.
And each state kind of has like different foods that are popular. Have you heard of Philly cheesesteak?
What is the most popular fruit?
Most popular fruit
Yes.
in America?
Yeah.
That's a good question. And it could be where you're from, like in Florida, down south.
Yeah.
It's warmer climate, so it might be oranges, or it's probably the most popular there.
Okay.
And then maybe in Michigan, I grew up with an apple tree in my backyard. So maybe apples are more
Yeah.
popular in Michigan. It depends, because like in the north, it's
Oh,
maybe
depending
cooler.
the place.
And then south, yeah, it might be
Okay.
warmer. What's your favorite fruit here? What's the most popular fruit in
Okay,
Colombia?
is the most popular fruit. I think that's the granadilla.
Which is called?
Granadilla.
Ganania?
Granadilla.
Okay. And what does that look like? I'll try to
Granadilla,
find that. Oh, it's like a granada, or?
Yes.
Okay. Is it like green in color?
Yeah, so the color is orange.
Okay. And what's the taste? Sweet?
Yes,
Sour?
it's very sweet.
Very sweet. Okay.
Yes, and also, in my opinion, that's my favorite food.
Your favorite? Favorite?
Favorite food is guanana. Guanabana.
Guanana.
Guanabana.
So like, I'll have to look that up too. Unless I'll look that up. I'll make sure. I'll try to find that. Is it
Yes.
like is it sweet or sour?
Yes, it's very sweet, and also when you make up hues, jugo, hues. Oh,
I give you credit though. You are speaking very well. Your English is so good.
yeah.
I'm really impressed. I'm very, very impressed. That's very good.
The juice is very delicious, and also I think so that the other favorite fruit, fruit, this is the blackberry.
The blackberry.
Yeah.
Okay. Did you have any questions for me?
Not for the moment, no, because I very happy now with you, but try to keep the conversation up with me though, because it's a very happiness.
Well, that's very good. You're the first person that I talked to that the English was so good. You are a really good conversationalist.
Really?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, because I feel that my English is very bad.
No, it's very good. I'm very impressed.
Yeah.
How old are you now, if you don't mind me asking?
Tell me.
Your age? You're how old are you?
Years old? So
Like are you 20? Are you 25?
okay, I am 23.
23,
years
okay.
old.
When did you start learning English?
That's exactly 2 years.
2 years. Wow.
Yeah, so
You're a very
because
quick learner.
Yes, really.
Yeah,
Because
I think so.
feel that I don't advance.
Well, I think it's good. Right now, how do you learn it? Is it through meeting locals or through studies like a book?
Usually I practice every day that I watching TV.
TV.
Watching TV or watching series,
Okay.
and also I try to practice to hear some music.
Who's your favorite artist? Who's your favorite music artist?
I love Metallica.
Metallica, all right.
Metallica and Iron Maiden, because it's
Iron Maiden?
Yes.
All right.
Iron Maiden, and also the other bands like Audioslave.
Audioslave, that's a good one.
Audioslave, The Killers.
Nice.
Scorpions.
Okay.
Scorpion, the Rolling Stones. Oh, we have. I like to hear a lot of musical.
Do you have any talents for musical instruments? Do you play any instruments?
Nothing. No.
How about a singer?
No, because I would like to take up. I would like to take up a guitar.
Guitar.
Yes.
Good choice, yeah. Thank you very much. I'll let you go. And I do appreciate you guys taking the time to talk with me.
Yes,
So you guys take care.
To practice every day.
If you could recommend like coming to Colombia, like some people say maybe it's too dangerous. What do you think if people say that?
Oh, I think so. The people in here is, I think so, very friendly, and also that's the other place.
I think it's anywhere in the world. You know, you can go to any country or any city and it's dangerous and it's not dangerous. It just depends where you go.
Yes, of course.
Yeah, so I think you just have to be kind of smart of where to go and, you know, maybe not go out at night or, you know,
so
certain
because it's
places.
depend on the city.
Yeah, and
Yes.
I think it's the same in every country. So far I've met very friendly people. So I'm very, if anybody out there is wondering if Colombia is safe for any country, I think it just depends where you go, just like in any city or any country. So
Yeah.
don't rely on the news, because the news always says the negative things about countries. And I think really experiencing it for yourself, that's how you really truly get to know for yourself if it's dangerous or not. So it just depends where you go, just like any country. So thanks, bro. Nice to meet you,
Thanks.
Daniel. Take care. This
Thanks,
cat,
Dustin.
very delicious coffee. What's the name of your place?
The place is Cafe Ibáñez.
Okay. You guys want to come get a very good cup of coffee? Come check Daniel out. They make some very good coffee. All right. Ciao.
Ciao.
So if you want a good cup of coffee, come check this place out. But there's many different places to try some coffee and foods. These streets here are so cool. They're lined up with coffee shops. You can see here, all the way down and all the way up. I think from here I'm just gonna say goodbye. We got probably another maybe hour left of sunlight and we'll just walk back. So hopefully you guys are having a good day and we'll see you guys next time.